Introducing the ET-FDR016 Tactical Manual Folding Karambit, Ravid by Elite Tactical. This exceptional knife is designed for tactical enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and swift deployment. The Ravid stands out with its unique hook-like shape on the spine, which cleverly catches the pocket's edge, enabling lightning-fast blade deployment in one smooth action without the need to change your grip. The knife's features don't end there. It also incorporates the patent-pending dynamic locking mechanism. The pocket clip allows for convenient carry and easy access. The blade is made of D2 steel, measuring 2.75 inches. The single-stage deployment feature further enhances the knife's usability. The G10 handle, measuring 5.5 inches, offers a comfortable and confident grip, complemented by a finger ring for those who prefer the Karambit-style holding position. To close the knife, simply push up the DLM lever, disengaging the blade lock, and with a flick of your wrist, the blade smoothly folds back into the closed position. As an alternative method of opening, you can use your thumb. By pushing the blade out with your thumb, you can swiftly and efficiently deploy the blade for immediate use. The ET-FDR016 is the epitome of cutting-edge design and performance, making it an ideal choice for discerning users seeking a reliable and agile tactical tool.